In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a team in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're reorganizing your projects or simply made a typo when setting up your team, renaming it is quite a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. To get started, you first need to open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left, where you'll see a list of all your teams. What you'll want to do next is find the team that you wish to rename. As you hover over the team name, you'll see 3 little dots appear. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these, you should see Manage Team. Click on this option to proceed. This will take you to the Teams Management page, where you'll find various settings and details about your team. Once you're in the Management section, look for the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on it. Within the Settings tab, you will see an option called Team Name. Click on Team Name to make it editable. You'll see the current name of the team in a text box. Simply delete the existing name and type in the new name that you want your team to be called. Make sure it's something clear and easily recognizable to all your team members. After you've entered your new team name, take a moment to double-check for any typos. When you're satisfied with it, click the Save button to confirm your changes. And just like that, your team will now be renamed. It's important to note that the changes you make will be updated for everyone in the team instantly. A quick tip for you is to ensure that the name you choose conveys the purpose or focus of the team clearly. This helps everyone involved to know exactly what the team is about, reducing any confusion. Names that are too vague or similar to others might lead to misunderstandings or misplaced discussions. And that's it. Renaming a team in Microsoft Teams is really that simple. Now that you know how to do it, you can keep your team's environment organized and up to date. Remember, you can do this as needed if your team grows or changes focus. Thanks for following along with me today.